Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add delivery address on Walmart. So first of all, go to the Walmart website, which is walmart.com, and sign in to your Walmart account. If you don't have Walmart account, we have a separate video on how to sign up for Walmart. I'll put the link in the description. After you log into your Walmart account, tap on Account, which is on the top right side of the screen, and go to Account. And on the left side of the screen, you can see Delivery Address, which is the third option. Tap on that. And in here, you can enter the delivery address that you want for your Walmart account. So after filling in all these details, you can tap on Save, and your delivery address will be permanently saved to your Walmart account, and you will get the goods delivered to the address that you entered here. This is all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for other helpful updates.